show you how to make broccoli pan pizza. And in this recipe, I'm not going to use any white flour. This is going to be very healthy recipe and very tasty. So let's see how we make. For broccoli pan pizza, I have taken a broccoli and I will cut it in half because I'm going to use half broccoli for this recipe. And now we'll cut broccoli into florets, and in weight, this broccoli is 200 grams. Now we transfer all our broccoli florets in the chopper and 6 to 7 garlic and chop it very fine. Broccoli mixture is ready. Now we take a bowl and transfer all our broccoli mixture in the bowl. Then add half cup of semolina, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 4 tablespoons of curd, yogurt, 1 cup finely chopped onion, 3 tablespoons of jalapenos. This gives very good flavor to the pizza. Salt according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we mix all our ingredients together. Next, I will add water gradually and mix it to bring it to this consistency. So total 100 ml of water I have used here. Now we rest this mixture for 10 minutes. Till our mixture is resting, we take some veggies for pizza topping. I have taken 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper and 1 red onion and few sweet corns. And here you can use any veggies of your choice. Cut yellow pepper and remove the seeds from it, then cut in small cubes. With same process, we cut red pepper also. Now cut onion in thin slices. Veggies are done. Now we move to our broccoli batter. Mix it again, and friends, you can see the batter consistency is perfect. Now let's start making our pizzas. On the pan, put some oil or butter and spread our batter. Now put the flame on medium to high. Now we add our veggies, yellow pepper, red pepper, onions, some olives. Now I am going to add mozzarella cheese on top of our broccoli pizza. Now sprinkle oreganos, red chili flakes, and then add boiled sweet corns. Now cover and cook till cheese melts. See friends how beautiful they are looking. Cheese also melts very nicely. Now we do the plating. Yummy broccoli pan pizzas are ready. As I told you friends, I haven't used any white flour in this recipe. They're very healthy. Do try this recipe at home and enjoy with your friends and family. I'm going to eat now. I can't stop myself from this. And see friends, it's also very crispy from the bottom. And if your children do not eat broccoli, then if you prepare it in this way, then they will definitely eat it. If you like my recipe, please share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So for now, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.